Hi there, sweet students! Today I came up with a topic that is important for English exams, but again, unfortunately, a bit confusing. But don't worry, we are here to clear things up. We will talk about the differences between have, has, had, also have been, has been, and had been. For those who are new here, hi, I'm teacher Melike, nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now, let's get started. Have, has, and had are all forms of the verb to have, and they are used in different contexts based on the subject and the tense of the sentence. First, have. Used with plural subjects, as an example, we, you, they, but you can also use it with I. I have a book. In this sentence, we use have in the meaning of owning something. They have completed the task. In this one, however, we use have as an auxiliary verb for the tense of the sentence. 2. Has. This one is used with singular third-person subjects, he, she, it. Example, she has a cat. Again, has is used in the meaning of owning something. He has finished his homework. Here, has is used as an auxiliary verb. 3. Had. Had is used in the past perfect tense. It shows an action that was completed before another past action or point in time. Examples: I had already eaten when they arrived. I had already eaten when they arrived. She had read the book before watching the movie. She had read the book before watching the movie. Let's make a sentence where we use had as in owning something now. I had a red bike when I was 5. I had a red bike when I was 5. To be more comfortable using these, you need to use them in sentences. To practice more, you can visit our website by clicking on the link in the description box. We have more than 30,000 video lessons, and we offer you your first lesson with our teachers for free. But for now, let's move on to have been, has been, and had been. Have been, has been, and had been are all forms of the verb to be combined with the auxiliary verb have to create different tenses. These forms show different points in time and are used in various contexts. 4. Have been. We use this one in the present perfect continuous tense. It is used to describe an action that started in the past and continues into the present. I have been working on this project for 2 months. I have been working on this project for 2 months. They have been friends since childhood. They have been friends since childhood. 5. Has been. Again, we use this one with present perfect continuous tense, but with subjects he, she, it. Examples: she has been studying for the exam. She has been studying for the exam. It has been a challenging week. It has been a challenging week. 6. Had been. And this one is in past perfect tense, used to show an action that was completed before another past action or point in time. Examples: I had been to that city before I moved to the countryside. I had been to that city before I moved to the countryside. They had been dating for several years before they got married. They had been dating for several years before they got married. And there you have it. Differences between have, has, had, and have been, has been, had been. Long sentence. In short, use have with I, you, we, they. Use has with he, she, it. Use had for past perfect tense to show an action completed before another past action or point in time. Have been is for present perfect continuous tense with subjects I, you, we, they. Has been is for present perfect continuous tense with subjects he, she, its. Had been is for past perfect time, showing an action completed before another past action or point in time. As for your homework for today, write in the comments 6 sentences using have, has, had, have been, has been, and had been. I'll see you there. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.